In Spelling Shed, you can also create your own word list to set to pupils, as well as use the ones from our scheme. So I'll show you how to do that now. Go to Spelling Shed. Then click on the word list tab. Then here are all the lists that I have made under your lists. Click Create List. Give it a title. These might be topic-based words or science-based words, up to you. You've got the option here to let children use this in phonics mode, depending on their age. And then add your words. Click Save. And then it will show you your list. So here also you can do things like edit the title, you can delete words, you can also add words, and you've also got shortcuts here to do other things. You can print this spelling list, we can set it as an assignment here. You can also do something called set favourite. Now, setting a word list as a favourite simply means to share the word list with somebody else. So if you've made a topic-based word list, for example, you might want to share this with another teacher. So you can do that by clicking Set List as Favourite, add the other teachers that you can set this and share this with. You can also set it as a favourite for pupils. It won't be monitored as an assignment is, but it will simply appear on their screen as another word list to play. You can do that between classes, share with whole classes, or share with individual pupils here. If a teacher has favorited a list for you, so shared a list that they have made for you, it will appear for you in your favourite lists section. The other type of word list you can create is making a personalised word list for a pupil. If I go into groups, go into my class and find a pupil, and if I click view, this will take me to the pupil profile, and then I'm going to go to spelling data. So I'm in the pupil profile under spelling data now, and you can see here the word spelled in the last 7 days by this pupil. What you can do is click all of these words that they have got incorrect. Now, if they've played these words more than once, it will just show up here. Then you can click Create List. Now, this will appear in your lists section. So I highly recommend that you write the child's name here. Otherwise, you won't know which child that this list belongs to. Then it can take you to view the list. And then from here, you can set that as an assignment for that pupil, or you could set it as a favourite just for that pupil. It's completely up to you. And I know some schools do this maybe sort of once every half term or once a term, and take those words from literacy books that children consistently get incorrect. Only a small handful of words, but then it's personalised for that child on top of their weekly spellings. If you want to print any list, you can do that by clicking inside a list, whether it's your list, a favourite list, or a list in our scheme. Click Print, and then you can select the words within that list that you would like to print, how many lists per page. Maybe you want lots of copies per page to cut out and stick into books, for example, the font, and then click Generate. And this will generate a PDF for you to print nice and easily.